What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Beauty, and I am back with another video for you guys. This is a fun DIY. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing some DIY tape-ins. Yeah, that's the name of it. So I have a bundle of hair here. Well, I don't know, it's like a bundle and a half maybe, but I dyed it. It came as a 613, but I dyed it in ash blonde, so I'm not sure what color is showing up, but hopefully it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, but I have something on the way in the mail, and that is the reason why I am making these. And I also wanted to try them out for myself, but I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what to expect, so I feel like this is some good practice. So I have my bundles here, well, my bundle and a half here. Then I have the tape that I got from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I want to say it was like $8.99 or something like that, but yeah. And then you just come, they're a little sticky already, but yeah, that's how they come. I'm not sure how many sheets it was, but yeah, that's those. And I have my scissors, and then I have my flat irons. And so let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back and I am finished. So these are the tape ends, and my phone had stopped recording earlier, so that's why you didn't see me finish the rest of them. But yeah, and then I'm gonna keep this bundle whole, and I'm gonna clip no tapes on this one. So you guys will see what I'm gonna do with these in a few days. 3 days. It should be 3 days. Waiting on UPS. So make sure you hit that bell so you can see what I'm getting ready to do with these. Okay. So yeah, these are it, and I hope that you guys liked the video. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you are already not. And I will see you guys in my next video.